Good morning. My name is Austin, and I want to welcome you to a series in Python. Today, we'll be looking at indexing and slicing. So, what do we mean by indexing and slicing? Indexing, I'll just say, is just a way of how the computer counts and would bring out what counts of what pick a particular product or a particular figure or object. So I come here now. Let's say I create a variable var. I say what? I create a string A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. If I do this and I run it, then if I come here and I just call my var, I call my var like this, you can see that this is what I have now. Now, when we say indexing here now computers, as human being, if I want to count, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. That means A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is what? 4. But computers, when they want to count, they count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for a computer, A is 0, B is 1, C is 2, D is what? 3. So now, if I want to do indexing here now, if I say indexing and I want to get letter D, this is letter D, I say 0, 1, 2, 3. And I say var, I square bracket, and I say 0, 1, 2, and I say 3. And I put my 3 there. Once I do that, I will get what? My letter D. This is actually indexing. If I want to get letter B to what? 0, 1. If I now say var, and I put in my 1, I get what? Letter B. So this is just an example of what we call, or what we say what? Indexing. Now, what is slicing? Indexing is getting just a particular alphabet. If it's A, we are getting A. Now, slicing is saying what? We want to get a chunk of alphabet. So in slicing, we see in slicing we have what? A start, step, start, stop, and we have what? ST, step. So there's always going to be a start, stop, and step. Now, let me put my hash here. So I have to comment it out now. So there's always going to be a start, stop, and step. So now, what are we trying to say here now? Now, if I call my var like this, and I want to get C, D, and E, slice C, D, E now. So how do I do that? I say var like this. I do now. Now, they must have a start. So it is 0, 1, 2. So I say start from 2 and stop at what? These 2, 3, 4. But now, because I want to cover the E, I'll count F. I say 5. I stop at what? 5. So I want to get CDE. Once I do this now, you can see what I've gotten my CE now. This is what we call slicing. Now, slicing says we are what? Taking a chunk of what? Of the product of the alphabet. In indexing, we're just taking 1. But in slicing, we are taking what? A chunk of it. Let's say I want to get FGHI. What do I do now? I say var like this. I want to get FGHI. So this will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what? Start at 5 like this. Then stop at what? 6, 7, 8, 9. Stop at what? At 9. Once I do this, as I say here, FGHI now. Now this is what we call slicing now. But if you come here, we talk about a step. Now step means what? How do I want to move? Now if I come here and I say, let's say we call my var again, I do this, then I now say var. No, I say I want to start at 0. No, start to finish. Then I now say step 2. If I do this now, you can see that it's not giving me A, C. What did I do? I said I want to see the whole string, but I want what there be let it jump or count using 2's. So you say what? It shows me A, to not show me B, to show me C. It not show me D, to show me E. I say what? The step means what? How I want to what? jump or how I want to move. So that is what it's now doing now. So it shows me A, it doesn't show me B, it goes to C. So that is what we mean by what the step here, that where we said what start, stop, and what step. Now this is going to be very important now. This indexing and slicing is going to be very important now. We will now begin to do what our bringing in Python libraries, and we begin to work with what for our data analysis or what data science now. Now, if you follow the series that I have been doing so far, I have been taking what each and every topic in Python one after the other, because I want us to what get to know each and every one of this topic, and once we get that, we will now begin to what fuse them together, what to now begin to write Python what uh, Python scripts and what Python codes now. Now, after this after this indexing and slicing, the next topic we'll be going into what will be string interpolation. So, the next topic we're going to be doing in this what series is going to be what we call what string interpolation. Now, if you have what gained from what we are doing, or you enjoy our classes, I would like you to what subscribe, like, and what share, so that people will get to know about the class and what begin to what join the class. But it is actually for what for total beginners in Python. And if there's any question you want to ask, I will encourage